Guten Tag and welcome to Frankfurt am Main. Get ready to discover the vibrant heart of Germany, a city where history and modernity dance hand in hand. We'll stroll through its charming old town, marvel at its towering skyscrapers, and soak in the unique Frankfurter flair. Lace up your walking shoes because adventure awaits. Our journey begins in the Römerberg, Frankfurt's picturesque old town square. For centuries, this has been the city's beating heart, hosting everything from imperial coronations to bustling markets. Right in the center, you'll find the Fountain of Justice. While beautiful, it's a replica. The original was destroyed in World War II, a stark reminder of the city's resilience. Just a stone's throw away stands St. Nicholas Church. Take a look at these charming half-timbered houses. This is the Römer, Frankfurt City Hall, a collection of 9 historic buildings with a rich past. Listen closely and you might hear the delightful Glockenspiel chime. This Gothic church has witnessed centuries of Frankfurt's history. As we wander through these cobblestone streets, admire the intricate details of the timber-framed architecture. Each beam and carving tells a story of craftsmanship and tradition. Let's make our way towards the main river and cross the iconic Eiserner Steg, the Iron Footbridge. Built in 1868, this pedestrian bridge offers breathtaking panoramic views of Frankfurt's impressive skyline. Notice the contrast between the historic old town behind us and the modern skyscrapers ahead. It's this blend of old and new that makes Frankfurt so unique. Like many bridges around the world, the Eiserner Steg is adorned with countless love locks, a symbol of enduring affection. On the other side, we arrive at the Main Kai, the picturesque promenade along the main river. This is a perfect spot for a leisurely stroll and to soak in the city atmosphere. In the summer months, this area comes alive with locals and visitors enjoying the sunshine, perhaps with a refreshing Apfelwein, Frankfurt's famous apple wine. We'll have to try some later. Now let's turn our attention to the magnificent Frankfurt Cathedral, officially known as the Imperial Cathedral of St. Bartholomew. This impressive Gothic structure was the site of imperial coronations for centuries. Imagine the grandeur and ceremony that once unfolded within these walls. Its towering spire dominates the skyline and serves as a powerful reminder of Frankfurt's historical significance. Just a short walk from the cathedral brings us to the Paulskirche, St. Paul's Church. While it may look simpler than the cathedral, it holds immense historical importance. In 1848, this church was the seat of the Frankfurt Parliament, the first freely elected German National Assembly. It's considered a cradle of German democracy. Our journey now takes us to the Hauptwache, a vibrant and modern hub in the heart of the city. This square is a major transportation hub and a popular meeting point. Notice the Baroque building in the center, the Hauptwache itself, which once served as a police station and prison. Now it houses a cafe. From Hauptwache, we step onto the Zeil, one of Germany's most famous and busiest shopping streets. Whether you're looking for high-end fashion or local souvenirs, you'll find it here. The Zeil is a testament to Frankfurt's modern energy and economic importance. Need a break from the city buzz? Frankfurt offers peaceful escapes like the Palmen Garden or the city parks. Even in a metropolis, there's plenty of green space to breathe and relax. We make our way back toward the Römerberg, or perhaps to a final scenic overlook point offering a last glimpse of the city. Frankfurt is a city of fascinating contrasts where centuries of history meet a dynamic modern spirit. From its charming old town to its impressive skyline, there's something to captivate every visitor. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse into the heart of Frankfurt. There's so much more to discover, from its world-class museums to its vibrant culinary scene. So come and experience the Frankfurter flair for yourself. And so our walking tour comes to an end, with a stunning sunset over the Frankfurt skyline. A city where medieval history and futuristic dreams walk hand in hand. Thanks for joining me. See you in the next adventure. Bis bald.